Hey friends, if you look forward towards utilizing sticky notes on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for sticky notes in the Windows search bar and then click on sticky notes to open it. Click on get started. Wait till it loads. You will need to sign into this because the sticky notes are different now. Earlier it was just like you could open sticky notes directly. Now they keep a log. I don't like this because that was the purpose of sticky notes, but it is what it is. So you can type anything that you want to, and then you can also add sticky notes, and all of these are saved. Even if you delete them, they can be recovered from Outlook if you have access. You also have settings and you can change it to dark mode, light mode, or anything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.